Hey, Mom.
All the Nintendo game. I said Nintendo.
Hey, Mom. Mom. Will you answer me, Mom? Hey, Mom. Yeah, Mom.
What's the number, Chad? What is the number? Tell me as fast as you can, Chad. Okay, I taped it. What again? I didn't hear you.
Oh, I already reached high score. The only thing I'm going to tell you, the first numbers are 1-800-543.
543 what?
Mm.
Okay, now I got it taped. There. Chad.
No.
Yes. Chad. Once more so I can hear it.
1-800-543-81. And then I'm not going to tell you the last two.
8195.
Yes. No.
Chad.
Yes!
Chad. PD.
How many times do I have to tell you? No, it's 1-800-543-8188. And then I'm not telling you the last. It's 1-800-543-8181.
Be quiet. Yes, I got it. I got their voice. Now I'm going to play it back to them. Won't that be great?
I bet you it won't work.
Why?
Between two Martians talking on a phone.
That was the alien who ate me, so I turned into one. I turned back. Rainbow. Oh. Chad. Chad. London.
No. No, I don't.
Tanner, does he? Tanner, does Channel London?
No, I was trying to tell you what it was.
Does Tanya know? Right. Stop. No one may go in an orange house in the dark, or they will die. Or in the day if they come out, in the day they will die. Someone wouldn't dare move if you hear me talking. Or the cops will come. like right now. That's not the cops, but I'm down.